Universal Design for Learning by UDL-Grimm. UDL is a set of principles for curriculum development that gives all students an equal opportunity to learn. UDL was inspired by IDEA mandating that all students be taught in a general education environment, no matter diversity. Universal design began with architecture. Engineers soon realized that some people had a difficult time entering buildings. Physical environmental changes had to be made. Some of these changes are doors, storage places, support bars, shower chairs, ramps. All people see and experience the world in their own way. Brain networks emerge in different ways. Understanding networks helps to understand differences and how to better address UDL in your curriculum. Universal Design for Learning benefits all learners by building maximum flexibility in curriculum to give students opportunities. The three networks of the brain are recognition, strategic, affective. The recognition network is located in the back of the head. In this area, patterns are processed. Recognition is activated with multiple examples, highlighting material. Strategic network is located in the front half of the brain. In this area, actions and plans are processed. Strategic is activated with differential instruction of product or process. The affective network is located in the inner core of the brain. In this area, patterns are evaluated. Affective network is activated with choices and adjusted levels. The principles of UDL are representation, action, and expression, engagement. UDL principles reduce barriers for disabilities, but also enhances opportunities for every student. The three principles of UDL. Principle 1. Multiple means representation. Visual aids and manipulatives help to illustrate information. Addressing more than one representation creates a rich cognitive learning environment for all learners. Teaching reading, I would introduce a new concept by providing a verbal and text description accompanied with a visual aid. The verbal means would benefit auditory learners or visually impaired individuals. The text description would cater to hearing impaired or students wishing to reread material. Visual aids and manipulatives help to illustrate the information. Addressing more than one representation creates a rich cognitive learning environment for all students. Principle 2. Multiple means, action, and expression. Options support each individual learner by allowing them to choose the appropriate strategy that enhances their learning. As a reading teacher, I would offer both printed and online text versions of a book. Students could express their knowledge of a book through oral reports, book talks, comic strips, or digital storytelling. Options support each individual learner by allowing them to choose the appropriate strategy that enhances their learning. Students with physical disabilities or difficulty with handwriting, spelling, or reading would benefit from digital media by being able to utilize features of an e-reader. Students could change text, font, exercise read-alouds, take digital notes, voice recordings, or draw pictures to illustrate text. Principle number 3, multiple means engagement. The three UDL principles share one common recommendation: to provide students with a wider variety of options. The UDL principles are key to success. Using digital media, a reading teacher can engage each individual learner. Digital media allows struggling students to view difficult vocabulary, access background knowledge, and acquire reading support. Interest is recruited with digital media by giving students the ability to navigate embedded links. Embedded links deepen student understanding by allowing them to self-discover, question, and connect to the content in a greater way. The central role of technology in UDL is to allow teachers to provide multiple means of representation, offer opportunities for students to express what they know in flexible, various methods, and by increasing academic engagement, resulting in success for all learners. Technology in UDL accesses the online world of learning, enables assistive technologies and tools to be used, promotes differentiated instruction by activating the 3 brain networks to meet individual needs, and instructional implications provide flexible means to obtain leveled personal progress. Technology in UDL examples: electronic versions of textbooks or curricular materials, e-readers, voice recognition. With UDL, here are some potential examples. Struggling and excelling students get the support and enrichment to succeed. Increased motivation and engagement will result when individual needs are met. Schools and students will reach academic goals. Students will experience 21st century skills. Brain research tells us students differ across all 3 brain networks. Strengths and weaknesses vary depending on the level of the learner, beginner or expert. People learn with multiple means of presentation. Learning differences are supported when teachers set clear goals. Actions, planning, organizing, monitoring progress, devising alternative approaches, and seeking help is accomplished differently by everyone. Each individual emotionally interacts differently to the real world, tools, people, and context. UDL makes each learner successful in the classroom through flexibility. UDL eliminates learning barriers. UDL engages and challenges individual levels. UDL Book Builder promotes tools for reading, creating, and sharing digital books. UDL Class Profile Maker provides tools for finding student interests, weaknesses, and strengths. UDL Lesson Builder provides tools and models to create and adapt lessons to reach all learner types. Educating all students is a collective responsibility, and universal design for learning fixes the curriculum, not the child.